It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in this makeup look will be my eyeshadow therapy episode 5, and that video will be posted tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. So I already went ahead and pre-prepped my hair off camera, and all I did was take some leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle and just use that to moisten and soften my hair. And then I did these 4 plaits and pinned them back so that my hair would be extremely flat underneath these wigs. I'm going to take my Style Factor Edge Booster pomade, and I'm just going to use this to smooth and lay my edges down really flat before I put these wigs on my head. Now I'm going to use my edge brush to help me further smooth my edges back before I apply the wigs. Now I'm going to apply my black stocking cap, and using a black stocking cap helps to conceal your hair underneath the wigs, and you won't be able to see your hair through the wigs. The first wig that I'm going to be trying on is the Zury Afro Twist in Honey Blonde, and this hair on the package, it said that 1 package is enough to complete your entire head. Now I only used 1 pack because of that reason, because I wanted you guys to feel like you didn't have to spend extra money if it said that you only needed 1 pack. So I literally only used 1 pack to complete this wig, and I do feel like I could have used an extra pack just to fill in a little more, because as you guys can see in the front of this wig, you can still see some of those gaps, and gaps is a no-no in your wigs. Now I love to explore and try new colors, so that's the reason why I got this hair in a honey blonde, but I feel like this hair in a 1, 1B, 2, even a 4 would look fire. Like, this hair literally mimics natural hair to me, and I love the little ringlet curls on the end of this hair, which is why I picked this hair up to begin with. So right here I decided to style this wig in a half up, half down to try to help to conceal some of those gaps in the front, but as you guys can see, it didn't really do much. So I went ahead and took one of my headbands that I got from Amazon to help with concealing the front section of this wig. The cap that I did use to construct this wig is the Crochet Wig Cap by Shake and Go, and I love that wig cap because it literally has the maximum amount of stretch. You will not feel like your wig is too tight on your head. It comes with wig combs, like, it's everything. So I love that. I love to use that cap when I'm doing any kind of crochet wig styles. Now you guys can see that once you add this headband, it literally makes a difference. Like, you don't really see any of those gaps in the front of this wig anymore. Like, it literally makes a difference. So right here I decided to take the hair down and try to style it in a side part to see how that would look. But like I said, this wig, I feel like you need another pack of hair. So if you do decide to get this hair, get 2 packs and go ahead and fill this bad boy in. Aside from there not being enough hair in this wig, I still feel like this hair is amazing. Now this next wig that I will be trying on is the Zulu Braid Boho Lock wig, and I have it in the color number 1, number 2, and TT Pink 1B. Now the reason why I have a number 1 and a number 2, I couldn't find 2 packs of the same color, and I figured since they were both dark in color, it wouldn't make that much of a difference. So that's the only reason why I went with the number 1 and the number 2. And as you guys can see, both those colors, you literally can't even see the difference in this wig. Now these Boho Locs, oh my gosh, they are so lightweight, they are so beautiful, they are so amazing. I love this pink color. I think this wig is fire, hands down fire. I love this wig, and the length is just perfect. It's not too long, not too short, it just does it for me. And for this wig, I also used the Shake and Go Crochet Wig Cap to construct this wig as well. This next wig is the Bobbi Boss Brazilian Kinky Curly, and I have it in 2 packs of burgundy and 1 pack of 1B. Now I really love this wig because of its natural kinky curly texture, and I feel like this texture matches my natural hair the absolute most. And I love this burgundy color. Even though it's called burgundy, to me it looks more of a bright red, and I just really love this color. Now if you're a natural 4C curly girl like me, you will love this hair in a natural 1B or 2 color. Literally, this hair will match your texture to the T. For this wig, I also went ahead and used the Shake and Go Crochet Wig Cap to construct this wig as well. Now this next wig is the Havana Mambo Twist 12-inch hair, and I have it in the color 350. Now when you first receive this hair, it looks like actual twist, and what I did was I went ahead and unraveled all the twists because I wanted this hair to be big. Now the twists, to me, they were fine. You can wear them that way as well, but I wanted them to be unraveled because I wanted more of a twist out type of a look, and like I said before, I wanted my hair to be big. The headband that I used on this wig, I am not a fan of it. Now, when I first bought this headband, I thought it was really cute. I thought it would have been a nice statement piece, you know, a little nice accessory to the wig. But as you guys can see, this headband is way too thin, and it did not have enough thickness to allow it to keep its shape, if that makes sense. So because I wasn't a fan of it, I went ahead and applied my own headband, which is one of the headbands that I did receive from Amazon. And as you guys can see, I'm going to apply it to the front section of this wig, and yeah, I loved it so much better once I applied this headband. Now because I did unravel all these twists, if you are not used to big hair, this hair can be very intimidating to you when you untwist it. But I do love the texture of this hair. When I get close, you see that texture? I love the texture of this hair because it literally looks like natural hair in a twist out. So if you're not afraid, sis, do a twist out with these twists and your hair will be fire just like this. For this wig, I also went ahead and used the Shake and Go Wig Cap as well. Now this last wig that I'll be trying on is the Maven Brazilian Kinky Curly, and I got it in 2 bundles of 22-inch and 1 bundle of 20-inch. And the cap that I did use for this wig is a extra large mesh dome cap, and I got that cap from my local beauty supply store. I did find it on Amazon, so I will leave in the description box below where you guys can find the extra large mesh dome cap, because I did have somebody that was asking about it. Now this hair right here, y'all, is my absolute favorite kinky curly hair. This hair definitely mimics natural hair for sure, and it definitely gets very big when it's dry. Now right here in this video, the wig is still kind of wet towards the root area and the ends did dry a little quicker, but once this hair fully dried, oh my gosh, this hair got so big, and I love me some big hair and I love me some kinky curly hair. This wig can be styled in an endless amount of hairstyles. You can be very creative with this wig, so let your creative imagination flow when you put this kinky curly wig on your head. In this video, I was able to show you guys the last 5 headband wigs that I created and what they look like once I applied them to my head. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!